Okay, so you've got yourself an Oculus Quest and you love the freedom that this is bringing, that you can play VR in any room of your house, perhaps even in your garden. But you've also got a gaming PC and you'd like to have the flexibility of being able to play cabled and tethered VR games using the power of that gaming PC, but you don't want to be restricted by a short cable. In this video I'm going to show you the two cables that can give you 8 meters of tethered VR gaming fun. Okay, so I love the Oculus Quest. I love the fact that it's pretty lightweight and its kind of tracking capabilities means I don't have to always use my HTC Vive. I can use this in the house as opposed to my Vive, which only you can use here in the cave. And recently I've started to use it a couple of times connected to my gaming PC. Now I'm going to put some links in the description. Right now I've been using the Anker USB-A to USB-C cable. This is 3 meters long. It's pretty much the longest one you can get and is known to work with the Oculus Link, the beta program. And obviously Oculus wants, I think it's about £80 or more for the Link cable, which is fibre optic, so obviously much better than this cable. Not very easy to get hold of it in the UK though. So you can play VR games using the power of your PC just like you can with the Rift. But recently I've got a sim racing seat, so I wanted to be able to have a bigger distance, and so I was trying to find a way of doing that. And so I thought this would be an interesting video to share with you guys so that you can learn and benefit the same way. So again, that Link cable is about £80 if you can get one. It's 5 meters long. This Anker cable is 3 meters long and costs £15. And I've come across this. It's a U-green cable. It's 5 meters and it costs £26. So altogether it's £41 for the cables, but it's a powered repeating cable. So with these two together, and I've been trying it out and it works pretty well. As far as I can tell, no loss of signal quality. Most games aren't really using that much data to the headset anyway. So basically now I have 8 meters of gaming freedom, obviously tethered gaming freedom, a bit like what I have with the HTC Vive, and it just enables me to be able to utilize things a lot easier. So just in case you haven't used the Oculus Link setup before, I'll just explain to you how it works. So you're going to have the Oculus software installed on your gaming PC, have that installed, have it opened, make sure you have the latest version of software on your Quest. You can do that by basically just having it powered but not using it. So don't have anything kind of in the eyepiece to keep it active. It won't do the updates unless it's powered and thinks you're not using it. So just kind of turn it on, plug it into your USB power and just leave it on the side somewhere. Then you're going to plug in this U-green cable into a USB 3 slot on your gaming machine, and then plug in the Anker cable to the end of that. And then again, once your software is all updated, plug the USB-C end into here. It's going to ask you if you want to enable data sharing, which you'll say yes, and then enable Oculus Link Beta, and you'll say yes, and then basically you will go from the Oculus Quest home screen into the Oculus Rift home screen, which is generated from your PC. And that's it. Then you can play VR games to your heart content. So I've played a couple of games from the Oculus store, which is the same as what you do if you're buying Rift games, but also games from Steam. So mainly I've been playing Project Cars from the Steam store broadcast to the Oculus Quest with these cables, and it's working really, really well. So hope that helps. Please leave some comments below perhaps if you found a different cable solution other than these two. But again, there's a link to these in the description if you want to pick them up from Amazon. But it works really well, and if you want a bit of extra length, who doesn't, then definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching this video. A thumbs up would be really appreciated. If you're interested in other geek type videos, please consider subscribing to Spectrum Geeks. Why not also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And before you leave, why don't you check out one of these other videos that may be of interest. Thanks again for watching.